Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name's Matt Cook. I'm a director of a company called Kudos Recruits. And today's vacancy is right here in Bridgnorth. Now, have you got a forklift licence and is it counterbalance? If your answer is yes to that question, please stay tuned. So, the vacancy itself is paying £10 an hour. And the hours on it are 7:45 to 4:30, Monday to Thursday, and on Fridays you finish at 1 o'clock. Now the position itself is a temporary to permanent role, and the description of the role, the best way I can put it is you'd be expected to do some unloading and loading of vehicles, moving pallets to and from different parts of the shop floor, and at times you may be expected to do a bit of warehousing work, which might include shrink wrapping, packing of goods. Are you interested? If you are, please call 01746 768 666 or email me on mformother, mcook@kudosrecruits.com. Thanks for watching.